we go into the Ponting Avon. So we're going to ride a boat. So this is the place. So this is the Ponting on the Avon half hour guide pont tour. So that's for adults is $30 and for children is $15. So let's have a look and ride. Come on. Yes, this counter, that's where you're going to pay, and there's actually here to ride a boat, and they have an instruction before you go ride a boat. And this is here is
just upstairs.
good. Wow.
Yes, it is.
Wow, Darian. Put on. Oh wow, you look cool. Those are cool, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. So cool.
I remember punting back and thinking this is
We're going now? So this is the boat.
What would you like? That one or that one?
Maybe here so we can't disturb some other people. You can see it, the water is very, very clear, right?
So let's go! Yay!
So this is the boat, guys.
Colorful rainbow trout.
Wow.
They were brought here from Canada by humans, and now they live here. Now on the right side we have some silverfern. Silverfern is a symbol of New Zealand. These silverferns here were used by the Maori during the night time to show the way back to the village, since they are silver and glow with the moonlight. So when they give you a silverfern, it means that they wish you a good and safe way back home. That's what's called a cormorant.
That's that relaxing, Darian.
It's not for this tree here.
Bah.
Hello, Ducky Ducky. Where's a Ducky
Hello,
Ducky?
Ducky Ducky.
Alright, that's a cool tree, right?
Fish on the right side is before we...
all our trip, guys.
That's our
The
bad
interesting
trip,
thing is
guys.
different.
You love this
Very cute to see.
Stay cool.
My friend will
I hope you enjoyed the
Always
video.
behind.
Bye.
So that's our trip for today. Bye. Thank you for the ride. That was awesome. So guys, that's our ride for today. Okay. So we got the picture from our ride. Before you ride, they basically take you some photos before you ride, and when you get out from when you finished, you can see your photos on the board, and it's up to you if you're going to buy or no. And that was hello. And that was awesome, guys. That was awesome ride for about 30 minutes. And what else? And the picture is actually $35 for whole packet. So they have here is our picture, and they have a keychain. They have a keychain there. There's the birdies, so many birdies.